What up, guys? It's your boy Kerry, and this video I'll be trying to talk about. I've been seeing a lot of posts. I even got some few DMs on Instagram. Um, People asking which is better, like to trade their little capital or get into profit. And for me, I always tell them if you're financially capable, right, to handle both, just going for both. Pro firms are great. Life capital as well is great. Each has their own pros and cons, right? the, Especially you, as a upcoming trader, let's just put it that way. You're just starting from small and everything. So why did I say this? Back in April, I hit my first, I made my first four-figure withdrawal fully at once, trading with my live personal account. And take note, this live personal account, I funded it only back in January, right? When I got banned by Vantage, because I got banned by Vantage broker. They claim I was hedging and everything. I lost about 4,000 something dollars, right? Which that would have probably be my first bet. Ever since then, it's really set me back some few steps. So that's when I got into IC markets and started trading with them. And they've been great so far. I'm not gonna lie, IC market has really been top so far. So I deposited, I think, about $267 something, yeah, something 260 something dollars, right? Ever since then, I haven't deposited any extra money outside of trading. When I make my profit, I learned something really hard with Vantage. I always make profit, always withdraw profit. So anytime I make profit over the weekend, I'm going to withdraw some from my IC markets account straight into my bank account, right? So I just kept doing that for months, January, February, and March, April till May. So I'm going to show you guys the account stats and everything, and you're going to see the clear thing behind what I'm trying to say, if it's better to go in with a small account or bigger account. So those starting the year, I did go into pro firms. I invested a lot of money to get some pro firm accounts, which was one of the mistake I did, because managing those accounts, not copy trading those accounts, is really really difficult. So what do I mean by that? I have two phones. I trade only indices and metal, which is gold, right? So one phone have the accounts. I don't trade combine them. I have accounts which I specifically trade indices and accounts I specifically trade gold. So what do? I separate them. This is a phone for metal and a phone for gold, right? I'm doing that because the reason was I wasn't really good with gold back then. I was just trying to get my edge with gold. So most of the times I'll find myself making profit trading indices and losing everything back trading gold. That's when I came there, just split it up. But I got a lot of accounts. I still have the accounts right now, but I think I blew some of them, about five since then, because I got over 25 accounts, which was one mistake I did, getting many little accounts. For me, I think the best I should have gotten was just 10, which I won't copy trade all of the time, because sometimes I trade all of the accounts. Sometimes when I see a good setup, I'm going to take trades on all of the accounts, and it's really difficult to manage. It's really difficult to manage, especially when trading. You need to take a split second decisions. Sometimes when sniper and boom, you've missed it, right? So let me show you guys the account and explain everything to you guys. So you can see right here, this is my IC market account right here, right? This is my IC markets account. You can see everything raw trading. You can see it's my account starts. This month has been a very slow month for me, right? So if you can see total deposit $1,439, and you can see total withdrawal on this account, total profit. Okay, right? I've made almost $3,000 since 20th. You can think I started this account on 20th January. So if you come here, you can see trade report and everything. This was a bit higher. This was over 3k in profit, but because due to my stats on January and this May, it reduced to about 2,800, as you can see right here. And you can see that for the month of May, I made only $45, right? For the month of May, I've made only $45. You can see right here, made 270 back in January. That was like 100% gain. February doubled. March it tripled and quadrupled in April. But you can see now coming to me, I made only $45, right? I made only $45. But with this, take note that with all of this here, this was only from a $260 deposit I made back in January. Ever since then, it's not like I haven't blown the account sometimes, because I'll withdraw and leave maybe like 100 or 150. Sometimes I'll be leaving a losing streak. I'll end up blowing the account. But the money I'm using to deposit is just the profit I've made from this account. I use it to deposit back. And see right now the account is currently sitting at $3. I see trade ended up blowing. Hasn't been a good week, and I've been forcing here to trade on gold as well, you know. But coming now back to this, let me just turn on this PC. You can see, if you come now here to this was a payout I submitted like back in May, right? This is May's payout. You can see how much I made from a single payout in May. So far, I'm up over almost $1,200 plus, right? Trading this May, you can see Alpha Capital and everything. You can see everything right there. So you can see just with this, I'm up already 1,000 something on my account. And being up that amount, you can see that this month trading my live account didn't really favor me that much. If I was solely focused on my live account, I would have maybe because you can see for yourself, I made $45 this month trading on my live account, which if I was solely focused on my live account, you can see I would have made nothing. The same scenario applies back in April when I made my first 4-figure on my live account, right? I made zero from both firms. So for me, coming to the conclusion, everything I prefer, you should go into both. Live account, I can keep you maybe like, for me, my live account, I mostly use my live account. My aim was just, I'll be making profits on my funded account and saving them up. Then my live account, I'll be trading my live account to keep up my bills and everything, right? My rents, internet bill, light, and all the other things I need. That was just my aim for me. But you know, trading, you are going to have good months, bad months, slow months. It's gonna happen. But with pro firms, you're still going to be making banger. Imagine, like with this account, I think I bought this account for $119. For this account I bought, and I just requested $755 payout in my profit share. See, arrived. The other account, I bought the other account for £40 and for $40, because this $115 I requested. I also requested another $200 before, like I think first week of May, right? Bringing up to 1,000 something, which I bought the account for $40, but I've already made over that. So for me, I think the best thing to do, if you're financially capable, right, to go in for both, do it. I'd always advise trading small accounts, because like for me, if I deposit $100, I risk about $30 per trade, $25 to $30 per trade. Minimum 1 to 3 hours, meaning any trade I take, I'm either losing that amount or I'm making over $100. My rent is about 100 or something. before my internet bill. My internet bill is almost $100 as well per month, with all the light things like food and everything. So overall, I think trading personal is also great because you don't have to deal with the BS from these platforms and everything, right? You don't really have to deal with the BS on these platforms and everything. So for me, I think if you are like trading, you don't even need to be broke, and trading needs money. For real, trading needs money. So I legit think it's best if you can do both. Do both, treat both your live account and listen, because right now all the money I'm making for platforms this year, I'm just planning to save. So during Black Friday, I think that's the last week of November, we'll see have some Xmas discounts with these firms and everything. I just plan to save. I have other plans and things I'm going to do with the money and everything. But right now I'm just planning to save. See you guys in the next one. Peace out. Also don't forget, please like, subscribe to the channel. Keeps me going.